Craving something sweet? Today, we're making quick, easy, and tasty coconut macaroons. First, you will need 550 grams of shredded coconut and 540 grams of crystal sugar. Next, measure out 12 egg whites. Whip the egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. This is key to a great macaroon. Now, gently fold in the coconut by hand. Avoid overmixing. Place the mixture into a piping bag and form the coconut macaroons on a baking sheet. Bake in a fan oven at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Enjoy! In the next video, we'll be making filled, sandwiched coconut macaroons. These easy coconut macaroons will surely be a crowd pleaser. Enjoy! To support us, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Bon appetit!